Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the eClub birthday section of the Members tab. So let's begin. This is an organized list of your eClub members' birthdays. The list will automatically display birthdays for today's current date. However, you can also search by month or use the search bar to manually search for an individual. You can use this list for a variety of reasons, such as on-air shoutouts or for promotional purposes. Next, let's go over birthday emails. This feature automatically sends emails to your subscribers on their birthdays. There's 3 steps when creating a birthday email. First, adjusting the newsletter settings. So, create a campaign name, an email subject, enter an email address, a reply address, and a template. A template is simply just a graphic for the top of your email. I'm going to go over to this newsletter section and click templates to go over how to create a new one. So to add a new template, all you have to do is upload a new image with these exact dimensions. So once you browse your computer and upload it, just click Add Template. Then all of your newsletter templates will be below where you could preview them. Now, let's go back to the birthday email section. So once you upload your template, now you have to add content to the email. So click this green button, and here you can add as many items as you want, depending on how long you want the email to be. So once you add a new item, you can click the title button here. It'll enter the content editor. Here you can add text, links, photos, etc. You can also change the font, the color, and add graphics as well. Once you add as much as you want here, click the blue Save Changes button. I also want to point out that birthday emails are a great way to incorporate sponsors. So for this item, I created a birthday sponsor section. Here is a great way to incorporate coupons, which will benefit you, your sponsor, and your members. Again, as always click the Save Changes button when you're done. Once you've added all your items to your email, now you have to preview your email. So you can either click this Preview Birthday Email button at the top, or go back, scroll down, and preview in browser. We always recommend testing and previewing your emails before sending them out to your subscribers. So with this feature here, you can send a test copy of the birthday email to up to 5 addresses at a time. So I'm going to click the Preview in Browser button. And as you can see, this is the preview of our email. We have our header template on top, and then our stack items below. Like I said, you can add as many items to the email as you'd like. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit our help center or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos, and we'll see you next time.